Changing your plan on Nextraq can help you better meet your needs and budget. Follow these steps to successfully update your plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Nextraq website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or billing section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your subscription details. Step 3. Select Change Plan. Look for the option labeled Change Plan or Manage Subscription. Click on this option to view the available plans. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans offered and select the one that best suits your needs. Make sure to check the features and pricing before making a decision. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Nextraq.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your plan will be updated according to your selection. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Nextraq customer support for assistance.